Hello guys, welcome to TA3 Vision and this is Vikash, and today we'll be continuing our data engineering series, and we are going to see a new concept on SQL, that is join. So what is join? So if you talk about join, so in layman term it's basically combining. So joins clause is used to combine records from two or more tables in a database. A join means for combining fields from two tables by using values that are common to each other. So suppose you have two tables, employee and department, and you have certain common attribute between those tables. So we can join on that particular attribute. It can be employee ID, it can be department ID. So without wasting time, let's see it in practical. So as you can see, I have my console and I have my table employee. So in my employee table, I'm having these attribute: employee ID, first name, last name, gender, position, department ID, salary, and manager ID. Now I have another table called department. So as you can see, this is my table department. So here in employee table, I'm having this employee ID as a primary key, and I have this department ID as a foreign key. But in department table, my department ID is primary key, and this department ID act as a foreign key to my table employee. Okay, so we'll see certain join. So we have different kinds of joins. We have cross join, we have inner join, we have left outer join, we have right outer join, we have full outer join. So firstly we'll see uh, inner join. So select e dot star comma d dot star. Basically I'm selecting all the column from employee e inner join. So inner join, what is inner join? So inner join is nothing but it will give us the common between the two tables. So it will give all the record which are common between the two tables until my condition holds true. So we'll see what is the condition. Inner join department D on e dot department ID equal to d dot department ID. So as you can see that until my this condition holds true. So this condition is when my for all those records where my department ID of employee table is equal to department ID of my department table, it will print all those records. So this is inner join. Now we have left join or left outer join. So left outer join means what it does. Suppose you have two tables. So my employee table act as a left table and my department table act as a right table. So left join means all the records from the left table, that means all the records from my employee table and only the matching record from my right table. So in left join, all the records from my left table and only the matching record from my right table will come. So left outer join. So as you can see, this is the left outer join. Similarly, if you have right outer join, so right outer join is nothing but all the record from my right table, but only the matching record from my left table will come. So in this, all the record, that means all the record from the department table and only the matching record from my employee table will come. So this is outer. Now you have full outer join. So this will basically combine all the data. It has led to a lot of null values because it basically performs full outer join. So suppose in one table you have 4 elements, in another table you have 5 elements. So while joining you have the resultant table will have the 5 element, and for that particular table which have 4 element, so for their columns you'll get as null value. So you can see this is full outer join. Now So we have discussed about inner join, outer join, left join, right join. And also we'll see some more queries around joins, that how basically we do analysis on join. So how basically we can use joins combined with Windows function, combined with group by clause, having clause, and partitions. Each and everything we'll see in upcoming videos. So with that, that's it for this video. So please like, comment and subscribe, and motivate me to come with amazing content like this, which will help you to grow in your career on a data engineering. So thank you so much. Please like, comment and subscribe. If you have any suggestions or you want me to cover any specific topic, please comment down below. Thank you so much. Good night. Bye bye.